The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold is one of the most talked about foldable phones in recent years. Samsung plans to launch it on December 5, 2025, and many people are excited. This device is designed to change how people think about smartphones and tablets. It uses a new Fold design that can switch from a compact phone to a large 10-inch tablet. The design is impressive, and it offers many interesting features. However, it also brings some concerns about weight, thickness, and battery life. The Galaxy Fold will launch first in South Korea. Samsung will watch how customers respond before deciding on a global release. Early hands-on videos show that the phone is not just another foldable device. It feels like a new category. The most unique feature of this phone is its G-shaped folding hinge. This special hinge allows the device to fold in two main ways. When closed, it looks like a normal smartphone that fits easily in your hand. When you open it fully, it becomes a large tablet with a bright, wide display. This flexibility makes it useful for entertainment, productivity, work, reading, and multitasking. You can carry one device instead of switching between a phone and a tablet. When folded, the phone uses an outer display that measures 6.5 inches. This screen is good for everyday use, like checking messages, browsing social media, or handling quick tasks. When you unfold the device, the screen expands to 10 inches. This gives you a true tablet experience. Watching movies, gaming, drawing, editing videos, or reading becomes much more enjoyable on the larger display. This design tries to give you the best of both worlds. Samsung uses advanced OLED panels for both displays. The colors are rich, the contrast is strong, and the screens are bright even outdoors. The outer screen can reach up to 2600 nits of brightness, and the inner display can reach up to 1600 nits. This makes the device usable even in direct sunlight. However, the new design also adds thickness. When folded, the phone is 14 mm thick. This is much thicker than most regular smartphones. The foldable panels measure between 3.9 mm and 4.2 mm. People who like thin and lightweight phones may notice the difference immediately. Inside the Galaxy Fold, Samsung uses the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. This is a high-end chip made for gaming, heavy apps, and fast performance. The phone also has 16 GB of RAM, so multitasking stays smooth even when many apps are running. For storage, you can pick between 512 GB and 1 TB. This is helpful for users who keep lots of photos, videos, apps, or files on their device. The camera setup includes 3 lenses with a 200-megapixel main camera. This camera promises clear and detailed photos in most lighting conditions. Samsung has always focused on camera quality in their premium devices, and this phone continues that tradition. With improvements in software and sensors, you can expect sharp, stable, and high-quality pictures. Battery life is one area where opinions may differ. The phone has a 5600 mAh battery, which sounds like a lot. But the device uses 3 separate battery parts because of the Fold structure. For normal use, the battery should last a day, but people who use large screens or heavy apps might see quicker battery drain. Charging speeds are also limited to 25 watts. Many flagship devices today offer much faster charging. Some users may feel disappointed because this phone costs so much yet charges slowly. Many expected at least 45 watts or higher. In the foldable market, Huawei is a well-known competitor. The Huawei Mate X2 folds outward, exposing its inner screen. Samsung takes a different approach. The Fold folds inward, protecting the display. This helps prevent scratches and damage, which improves durability. However, it also makes the device thicker and heavier. Some people may not like the added bulk, while others may appreciate the protection. The price of the Galaxy Fold is expected to be around 4.4 million Korean won, or about $300. This places it in the ultra-premium category. Samsung is clearly targeting tech fans, early adopters, and people who want the newest technology. Launching in South Korea first gives Samsung time to collect feedback and fix problems before expanding worldwide. Not everything is perfect. The device does not support a half-fold mode. Many foldable users enjoy placing their phones halfway open for video calls, watching videos, or typing. Since this device is either fully open or fully closed, it lacks this flexibility. The thick and heavy design may also bother users who prefer sleek phones. The slow charging may be a problem for busy people who need quick power during the day. Even with these drawbacks, the Galaxy Fold shows how much foldables have advanced. Samsung is pushing the industry forward by introducing something fresh. The large 10-inch screen, powerful processor, and unique folding hinge could change how future foldable devices are built. If users accept its size, weight, battery limitations, and cost, this phone could mark the start of a new era where phones and tablets become even more connected in one device.